Hello, everybody, and thank you for tuning in. Today, I'm going to teach you how to open a free Ancestry account. You will not need a credit card for this. A lot of people click Start Your Free Trial, and then they get very upset because they will charge you. They will ask you for your credit card information, and they will charge you money. So please be very careful. That's why I'm making this video. I believe that knowing where you come from is an integral part to knowing who you are and where you can go in life. I recommend you only start the free trial after you have built your initial family tree with the information that you already know. And I know this can be really expensive. We might not have $400 a year to drop on Ancestry. So that's why I'm making this series on how to do your genealogy for free in hopes that it will help people learn about their family tree even if they aren't rich. So there's a couple of different ways to start your family tree for free. You're going to go to ancestry.com, click on sign in, and then sign up today for free. The account will be free for life. You will not get access to the paid Ancestry subscription database, but you will get a free account. Most people start their trees with themselves and include all the people they know in one single tree. Some people make separate trees for each parent or grandparent, but I advise against this for reasons we'll discuss in upcoming episodes, so be sure to subscribe. Regardless of whether you have one tree or multiple trees, you want to start with the most recent person first and work your way back. So if you have never had an Ancestry account, there's two really fun ways to fill out your family tree. First, you can go to ancestry.com/familytree, and then you can go ahead and type your name here and click Start Your Tree. You can also Google create a new family tree on Ancestry, and then you're going to go ahead and click where it says family tree, make a free family tree at Ancestry. So next you're going to come on a window and you're going to type in the information for your mother, her father, and her mother. Go ahead and fill in any of these that you know. For the maiden name, if you don't know it, do not add the married name, just add some 5 dashes. If you're adopted, go ahead and put unknown in all the fields and click search for records. Then they're going to ask you to put in your email address if you haven't created an account yet, but assuming that you have, you're going to go ahead and click on Save My Tree. The other way of creating a tree is to go to Ancestry and then click on Trees and then select Create and Manage Tree and then click Create New Tree. Go ahead and add a home person. You're going to want to add yourself or the person you're researching. Remember to add the person that was alive most recently and work your way back from there. Enter the information and click Continue. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and start with myself. And unfortunately for the trans and non-binary community, there are only 2 genders. Hopefully this will change in the future. You're going to pick a name for your tree. And then you want to decide whether you want others to be able to see the tree or you want it to be private. Personal information about people who are living will never be included in the searches. If you do decide to go with a public tree, it'll be easier to work with other people researching your same ancestors. So that's up to you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. I look forward to sharing some of my genealogical stories with you, and I'm happy to answer any questions. Just leave them in the comments below.